They're not going to yell out, hey, I'm over here, come find me. You must actually look. And they can be in the most obvious places, and they can be in the most hidden places. So make sure you're looking everywhere. While this is going on, Team Deathmatch is going on as well. There's 3 possible points for this game, 3 possible points, which means, well, it could end up being, it'll be interesting, let's just say that. Team Deathmatch, 2 heist boxes, a point apiece for each heist box, 2-man lift when you find these boxes, 2-man lift, back to spawn, make sure there are 2 individuals on that box. Red team, you're down, side choice, if you want headquarters, raise your hand. Bus stop, raise your hand. Let's try this again, red team, if you want headquarters, raise your hand. Bus stop, raise your hand. Headquarters it is, red team headquarters, yellow team bus stop, let's head out.
Hey Josh, what up?
Coming out this time? Boo. Tracer unit, huh?
What?
Tracer unit?
Oh yeah.
How do you like it?
I like it if you don't. If you have a longer barrel with it, then it's better. No, it's not. Is that a fucking dual?
Huh?
Is that a double barrel?
Yeah, boomstick. Huh? What'd you say?
I don't think I can fly it. If I had my amplifier on, I could. Have you shot Beckman in the dick yet?
No, I'm working on it.
I want to see a double barrel. Hey, hold on. Ready?
Gotcha. That's what I was gonna buy. Still can.
Can I see what they shoot with these pictures?
You can see.
Well, I'm saying with this.
CB's in it, same.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it will be.
Go. Heavier weight.
Oh yeah.
You're plugged in. Right now?
Johnny, game plan? Besides DERP?
Go ahead. You don't have no battery on. It's pressure.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's fucking loud. You don't know how to fly it.
It's not loud.
Yes, it is. Louder than mine.
Sorry. Try.
Oh, I'm taking something with me here.
Battery must be that good. You got air in it. Ready, waiting on yellow, waiting on yellow.
What's going on? Are you going in or out, Johnny?
Both things are ready.
In or out?
Go. Round 1, 3, 2, 1. Come on.
Search around the tires. Careful, there's a guy in tires. Clear?
Nothing here.
There's a guy straight ahead on me. You got range, so. And I got cover. What?
It's friendly.
Are you sure? Way back there?
Check this band.
No, right back here.
Yeah, that's friendly.
Oh, shit. John, I didn't know you got all the way back here. Search in here. Oh, fuck. Where's he at, Johnny? Guy in garage. Gotta move cover to cover, keep searching. Where the fuck could they put?
What do we do with the box we have?
Gotta bring it back to spawn.
Easy.
Sorta.
Well, we just can't say anything.
I think you're required to keep 2 people. I'm not sure. Clear.
Got one.
Uh-oh. Hey, hey, hey. Attempt number 2. Gotcha. Thank you. Hey, Eric. How you doing? Guy in garage. Hello. Gotcha. I can't really cover, but he's in garage. Sorry. Hey Johnny, how you looking over here? How you looking? There's like 3 in front of the loading bay. Oh, hi, I see you now. Hi. Can I come say hi? Are you okay with that? I'm gonna come say hi. Oh. Little. Oh. Uh-uh. You okay?
I was being such a pain in the ass.
I'm gonna be worse. Him too. Get him. I got him. That was fast.
Oh my gosh.
What?
I fucking destroyed him at the beginning. I was just...
I know, I was like, who the hell is back in tires? It's Johnny.
I'm really glad they got outside.
Did you say my name?
Huh?
I'm sure you said, what are you doing guys?
Yeah, I shot you. Oh, wait.
Alright, you guys was not able to find any heist box items, no points for heist. With a score of 18 to 57, 18 to 57, the white team is red.
Woo! We were searching outside for the box left and right.
I know it is.
Was they both inside?
I don't know that one.
That's pretty cool. Whoa, what is that?
Get ready.
Levi.
This final game is going to be a chaos game. We'll be playing every game that we play.
How many does each one hold?
10.
Team Deathmatch Turf Wars.
Oh my God,
Heist,
Levi, that would be
Hammer
perfect.
Hill.
Oh damn. I
Team
might have to look
Deathmatch
into
Turf
that.
Wars Heist.
Worth the money.
Hill. All rolled into one game.
Still never got to shoot
Get ready, be ready. It'll be a long
yeah.
half-hour game.
Oh, since we're done, we can blast a few rounds off.
I'll tell you which sides.
They just say this is the last game?
Now you guys got 8 minutes.
Alright, what? This or this? This? Don't? What? What?
My back is killing me.
My ass hurts. Sorry. No, I got you in the other arm though. Yeah, I went back to spawn. I actually killed you. Not this round, last round. I was shooting at somebody and you like... Shot Eric and Brandon the most. What? Yeah.
You spawn in the middle of the game and you have to start it.
What?
You spawn in the middle of the game and you have to actually start the game.
What do you mean?
Like,
Oh no, yeah, you can go in. You just got to go back to your spawn area.
the game starts and it's sitting here, I can still go at any time.
Yep.
You hit the button before going out.
No. Jesus.
I think we got 20 on 6. We got some good back here.
Yeah. What?
Want me on your team this time?
Sure.
You get a home.